Introducing the Rinnai Propane Tankless water heater, a cutting-edge solution for your hot water needs. This innovative appliance combines smart design with durability and high-efficiency technology to provide you with an endless supply of hot water, all while conserving energy and maximizing user convenience. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into the key features and benefits of this tankless water heater, helping you make an informed decision for your home's hot water needs. From its space-saving design to its robust warranties and optional Wi-Fi control, this water heater is poised to redefine your hot water experience. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Smart design. This water heater impresses with its smart design, which is aimed at maximizing energy efficiency and user-friendliness. One standout feature is its ability to only heat water when necessary, contributing to significant energy conservation. This means you won't be wasting energy heating water when you don't need it, which is not only environmentally responsible, but also cost-effective. Moreover, the internal layout of this tankless water heater has been thoughtfully crafted for ease of installation and serviceability. The cleaner internal layout simplifies maintenance, making it easier for technicians to perform any necessary repairs or upgrades. This design choice ultimately saves you time and money in the long run. The inclusion of an LED screen is a thoughtful addition to the design. It not only provides users with real-time information on water heater status, but also offers service reminders and error codes. This feature enhances the overall user experience by keeping you informed about the unit's performance and maintenance requirements. Number 2. Endless hot water supply. One of the most compelling reasons to choose this water heater is its ability to ensure you never run out of hot water. Despite its compact size, this non-condensing indoor tankless water heater can deliver an impressive flow rate of up to 6.1 gallons per minute, GPM, capable of servicing up to 5 fixtures simultaneously. This means that you can enjoy hot water whenever you need it, even during peak demand times in your home. Number 3. Smart and durable. This water heater is designed with longevity and user satisfaction in mind. Rinnai backs up this product with a 15-year residential guarantee for the heat exchanger, a 5-year guarantee for labor, and a 1-year guarantee for parts. These warranties provide peace of mind, knowing that you have a durable and reliable water heater. For those looking to enhance their user experience, this water heater offers the option to upgrade to a controller module for Wi-Fi control, not included. This additional feature allows you to remotely monitor and control your water heater, further optimizing its performance and energy efficiency. Number 4. Professional installation recommended. It's important to note that Rinnai strongly recommends professional installation for their tankless water heater. This is a wise choice, as having a qualified technician handle the installation ensures that the unit operates correctly and safely. Rinnai provides a helpful Find a Rinnai Pro page on their website, allowing you to locate a certified technician in your area who can install your water heater correctly. Number 5. High-efficiency technology. With a cleaner internal layout and a new sliding bracket for easier alignment, these water heaters save both time and money during installation. The addition of an LED display that provides reminders and error codes adds to the overall convenience and user-friendliness of these high-efficiency water heaters. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Smart design for energy conservation. Compact size with a high flow rate, 6.1 GPM. Long-lasting with a 15-year heat exchanger warranty. LED screen for status updates and error codes. 1 reason not to buy. Initial purchase price can be higher compared to traditional water heaters. Conclusion. The Rinnai Propane Tankless water heater is a smart, compact, and efficient solution for providing endless hot water in your home. Its innovative design, durability, and the option for Wi-Fi control make it a top choice for those looking to upgrade their water heating system. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.